Good evening, Shobit. Can you hear me? Shobit, can you hear me? Awesome. Cool. Good evening. What's up, everyone? Hi, Shobit. Hi, Anu. Hi, Hasnoor. Hi, Sohit. Can you all hear me? We are a little early. It's just 6 minutes to go. So let people join and then we'll start. Till then, keep your pen and paper handy. We'll start in 6 minutes. Very good, Shobit. How are you? For those who join in now, we'll wait for another 5 minutes. We're still only five people strong. So we'll wait for everyone to join and then we start. Till then, keep your pen and paper handy. Hi everyone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share a link on chat. Okay, it's a link to a MCQ based test. There are 5 MCQs. So till everybody joins in, y'all can try those MCQs. Whenever you're done submitting those MCQs, say done. Yeah. I'm just sharing a link on chat. I've shared a link on chat which has 5 MCQs. Attempt those MCQs, and whenever you're done, say done on chat. I think you will get your score also, how much you scored. So tell me your score also on chat. These are very simple MCQs. So test if you remember what we discussed last class. So 5 simple MCQs. I've shared a link on chat. Attempt it and respond on chat with your score. Everyone was joined in now. Thank you for joining in early. We are still 3 minutes early. Yeah. What I've done is I've shared a link on chat. It is to an MCQ based assessment, 5 MCQs, just to test if you understood what you learned last class. 5 simple MCQs. Quickly attempt those, and once you're done, give me a score on chat or say done on chat. Okay, sent it again. Okay, Anu says 4. Okay, Anu, don't tell me more. Wait till everybody else attempts.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Kiran. Kiran, did you get the link on chat?
Sir,
Did you get the link shared on chat?
no, sir.
Okay, there's a link on chat. I want everyone to attempt the MCQs on the link. And once you are done, tell me your score.
Okay, sir.
There's a link on chat. Please attempt the MCQs. Tell me your score. Quickly.
Sir, your voice is too slow. Too low.
My voice is very low. Is my voice low for
Yeah,
everyone?
sir.
Uh, can someone who's listening to me please respond? Is my voice okay? Respond on chat. Give me a thumbs up. Say yes. Do something. Okay, there are people saying yes. So I think Kiran, you'll have to test your speakers. Anu, if it's your first session, don't worry. What we'll do is we will have to continue because we are short on time. But you can watch the recording of the previous sessions. I can share the link of the recordings to you with you. Yeah. What I'm doing on chat right now is I've shared a link to an MCQ based assessment. There are 5 simple questions. Answer them. Tell me when you are done. This is a link on chat, which is a 5 MCQ based assessment. Bhavna says done. Okay, Bhavna, you want to tell me your score also? Kamna, you want to
Good
tell me your
evening,
score?
sir.
Haji. Yes. Yes, Chetan.
Sir, I have attended yesterday class. But
Uh,
in Sunstone, they are showing 0% progress. Why,
that
sir?
you will have that you will have to take up with Sunstone, but I will inform them. I will not be able to comment on that, but I can inform. I can
Okay, thank you, sir.
them help you.
No.
Sharing the link again. 1 second.
Sir, I have the same problem. Sir, I also have same problem with me, sir.
So I do not know the reason. Maybe you haven't shared feedback, or I don't know. I do not know the technical reason. So I will have to tell Sunstone to help you. I do not have the answer. In the meanwhile, I've shared a link on chat. Please, everyone, attempt. Whoever has got a, a certain answer wrong, uh, try figure out why you got it wrong. If not, then I will tell you the answers anyways. Here is the link. Okay, so we have some 4 on 5, some 5 on 5s. I think there was a 2 on 5 also. Don't worry. We'll figure out what the answer is. Everyone, please attempt the MCQs. Tell me your score. We are 44 people strong. Let's wait for another 46 now. Let's wait for another 10, 15 to join, and then we start teaching. Then I'll start teaching. Till then, I want everyone to attempt these MCQs on this link and share your score. Okay, so it says 3 on 5. Okay, no problem.
Sir, I have attended quizzes, sir.
Sorry, you have attended.
Sir, I attended the questions, sir. The Google form.
Kiran, your voice is lagging. Your voice is lagging. I think there's a problem with your internet connection. Why don't you type on chat and I'll help you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, whoever has joined in now, we are 53 people strong. There's a link on chat. There's a link on chat. Please attempt the MCQs. There's a link on chat. Please attempt the MCQs and tell me your score. Okay, very nice. There are some 5 on 5, some 3 on 5s. Don't worry, whatever the answers are, we'll discuss them in a bit. Okay, just sharing the link again. Kiran, your voice is lagging, so type your doubt on chat. I'll help you. Okay, so we are at 7.5. I think we should start now. How to get certificate in SEO? You need to attend all the 10 sessions. You will get your certificate from Sunstone. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone. So there's a link on chat. I hope all of you all have attempted those MCQs. A lot of people have said 2 on 5. Some have said 5 on 5. Some have said 4 on 5. So let's discuss the answers once. Uh, Question number 1 was the full form of SERP. Full form of SERP. It is Search Engine Result Page. SERP full form is SERP, Search Engine Result Page. Yeah. So hope that was straightforward. Next question is, a tool useful to get your business listed on Google Maps is Google My Business, GMB. Google My Business, GMB. So that's the next answer. Those who are wondering what am I talking about, there are MCQs that I've shared a link to. I'm sharing the answers to them. A lot of people have joined in now. If you all want to attempt the MCQs, go for it. The first answer was search engine result page. The second answer was GMB, Google My Business. The third question was spot the false statement. There was one option which says SEO shows instant results, which is false. SEO cannot show instant results. SEO always takes time, right? So that is the false statement. The rest of the statements are true. Then the next question was, can two people in the world see same results? So that is again false. No two people in the world are guaranteed to see the same results. Everyone gets different results depending on their cookies, their preference, their past history, and so on and so forth. And the last question was, which of these reasons are hints to Google to show you a particular result on SERP? So there, all of the answers are correct. Your keyword, what the meaning in the keyword is, what have you searched in the past, what is your location, all of those things matter. So the answer is all of the above. All of those points matter, right? If you have understood the answers, those who attempted the MCQs, if you understood the answers, please respond on chat and tell me yes, that you understood what the right answers or where you went wrong. Quickly respond on chat and tell me. Okay, those who scored 5 on 5, well done. Those who have not scored 5 on 5, now you know the answers. Okay, there are still people joining in. I'm going to share the link one more time. It's a link to the MCQs. I have just shared the answers, but it's okay. You can attempt it later. On that note, let's start learning. Let's start moving forward now. Okay, keep a pen and paper handy. Keep a pen and paper handy, and we will move forward from here. Kiran, your question that your progress is not showing up on the app, that I will have to take up with Sunstone. I do not have the answer, so we'll have to take it up with Sunstone. Chalo, let's go. One more thing I wanted to tell you before starting is thank you for sharing your feedback in the last class. Those who liked the sessions, thank you. Those who thought I was talking too much in Hindi, this time I'm not going to talk in Hindi, only English. And if you don't understand a concept, you want me to repeat in Hindi, put it on chat, then only I'll repeat in Hindi. Otherwise, I will not talk in Hindi at all. Okay, this session is only going to be in English. Cool. Let's go. And I'm going to share my screen. Like last class, I am going to request you to keep your cameras on. Please keep your cameras on. Yeah, it's very difficult for me to teach people with black boxes. So if you can keep your cameras on, please keep your cameras on, and let's go. So in the previous class, we saw that Google is now capable of understanding the context. It understands the meaning behind what the user is searching. It is no longer the words, it is the meaning behind the words. And hence, you can't just blindly repeat the words, right? But we'll talk about more as we go on. Now, today what we are going to talk about is how does Google work? How does the algorithm work? How does the search engine work? So please write down. There are some steps. The first step is called crawling. Okay. Now, what happens in crawling is that there's a spider. There's a spider which Google lets loose. And that spider's job is to go from website to website crawling. Okay, so let's take an example. The spider was let loose. It went to a very popular website like, say, Times of India. It was crawling Times of India. And while crawling, it found a link. It found a link to, say, Nike's website because some PR news was there of Nike. So it jumped to Nike. So what I'm trying to say is that crawling is, Google's crawler comes to crawl your site. reads the content, and if it finds a link, it will jump inside the link. So it will keep jumping into links. Now, in any website, if you open any website, there are some links which are of the website's own links. For example, Times of India has its own links. So it will keep jumping into various pages of Times of India. And if Times of India has an external link, it's pointing towards a Nike or it's pointing towards a Pepperfry, then it will go to the external link. Right? So the spider is just going to jump, whether it is an internal link or external link, doesn't matter. Okay. When the spider comes to a website, it is going to crawl and it is going to read content and jump into links. Yeah. So if you want to see an example, let's actually go to, say, let's again look for a keyword and let's go to some result. Shobit, you have a question? If not, please mute yourself. Okay. Yeah. So I go to a particular result. Now, if you notice, any website has links, right? So when the crawler comes to this website, it will go inside each and every link and it will read the content. And then in the content also, it will find some links. Now, these links could be links of the site, which is Moz. So it could be an internal page, or it could be a link outside of Moz, which could be an external page. So the spider will come, read the content, and keep jumping into links. This is all crawling does. Yeah, the spider comes, reads. If it finds a link, it jumps. If it's a link of the website, it will jump to the link of the website. If it is a link outside the website, it will go to the link outside the website. Simple. No other logic to this. If you all have understood what crawling is, please give me a yes on chat. Spider comes, reads the text. If it finds a link, it jumps. Doesn't find a link outside, it jumps outside. Right? Great. Now I have a question for you. Is it a good thing? Is it a good thing if the spider has come to crawl my website? Say I am the owner of Moz. Is it a good thing if the spider is crawling my website and it finds a link to some other website? Say it found a link to some other website. I had put that link on my website. The spider found that link and went out. Is it a good thing if the spider who is crawling my content all of a sudden finds an outside link and goes outside? So very good. And hence you will see that brands who own websites do not give external links. But bloggers and news websites whose job is to give information, they give external links. Okay, so if you're taking notes, please write down. You will never see any brand giving external links. Brand will always give internal links. It wants people to crawl within its content. It doesn't want the crawler to go out. But bloggers, Wikipedia, news websites, all those, their job is to give information, to send people to various other sites. So there it will always be external links. Correct? So if you're taking notes, please write down. If you are managing SEO for a brand, you should never have external links. You should never prefer having external links. They should all be internal links so that the crawler keeps crawling your content, doesn't get distracted and go out. The moment the crawler goes out, you have wasted a chance. The crawler has left you. So it is better if the crawler stays with you and keeps crawling your own content. Praveen, you have a question? Go for it. Praveen, you want to unmute and talk? Okay, chalo. If you can unmute later. Otherwise, ask me on chat. Next, after crawling, comes a step called caching. Okay. After crawling comes a step called caching. Now, what happens in caching? If you remember, there is a browser cache on your browser. In your Chrome browser, there is a history or cache which you go and delete, correct? And if you don't want the cache, you go into incognito, correct? I am not talking about browser cache. I am talking about the server cache. Every time Google's crawler crawls something, it saves it on its server. Okay, when the spider crawls, whatever it crawls, it saves that information on the Google server. Okay, so cache has two meanings. One is local cache, what you and me have. We have Chrome cache, right? We have a history in Chrome. I'm not talking about that. I am talking about server cache. So when Google as a website lets the spider go, wherever the spider crawls, the spider has to remember, okay, oh, I had come to this website. So it will save cache, right? It will save it on the server. Then I have crawled this website, right? So please write down the second step is caching, where the spider, whatever it crawls, keeps a copy or keeps a replica, keeps a copy of it on the server, right? And on this copy, all the algorithms will run. All the Google algorithms will run on this copy. So the Google algorithms are not running on the live content, they are running on the cached content. Can someone think and tell me why is this important? Why is Google caching? Why isn't correct? It is creating some kind of a memory. It's creating a shortlist, or you can say a memory for itself. Correct. Now, can someone think and tell me why is it important for future reference? Very good. But why is it important that Google caches? Why can't it do things live? Why can't it run algorithms live? Why does it have to cache and run algorithms on the cache? Any thoughts? Daksh is a genius. Shobit is a genius to work faster, save time. Excellent. Please write down. This cache helps the algorithms run faster. Everything becomes faster, right? Otherwise, if Google had to do things real time, the servers would crash. There would be so much data, it will go mad. And hence, it does all this magic. All the algorithms are running on a cached version. Saves a lot of time and data. Perfect. If you guys have understood crawling and caching, give me a CC on chat. If you understood crawling, you understood caching. Give me a C and a C on chat quickly. If you understood crawling, you understood caching, give me a CC on chat. Okay, well done. Chalo. Now let's go to the third step. It's called indexing. But why crawler is used by Google? Why is that they need this crawler? Darshan, Google survives on information. On whatever it reads, it saves. Reads and saves. So if the crawler is not left loose, how will it read? That's its way of reading the internet. Correct? Say we as human beings, how do we read? We get a link and we read it. Similarly, the crawler will crawl. If it finds a link, it will go to the link. So that way, from one link to another link, it will get smarter. It will keep getting more information. Okay. Chalo, let's come to the third step. Third step is called indexing. Now, in English language, what does index mean? Index means a list of items. Correct? Nothing. It's index is a list of items. So whatever is crawled, whatever is cached, becomes a part of the list of items. Index is nothing but a list of items, list of sites. If you are not a part of Google's index, that means your site will not show on Google. I repeat, if your site is not crawled, if it is not cached, if it is not indexed, it cannot show on Google. Correct? Another way to say the same thing is, if your site is indexed, it can show on Google. Okay, so please write down. Once the site is indexed, once a page or a website is indexed, it is eligible to show on Google. Till then, it cannot show on Google. So first it has to be crawled, then it has to be cached, then it is eligible to show in the pool of websites. Okay. So I quickly recap. Indexing is nothing but a pool of websites, a list of websites which have been crawled and cached. Once a website reaches this index, it is possible that it will show on Google. Till then, it is impossible that it will show on Google. Okay, so you have to be in the index to be able to be seen. Okay, now let's see this live. Let's see how this works. Tell once more. Okay. Uh, so remember crawling. Crawling, it's coming to a page, reading. If it finds a link, it jumps. Caching is saving everything on the server. Whatever is reading and whatever is jumping, it's saving on the server. Once it is saved on the server, Google has a repository, has a list of all the sites that it has crawled and cached. This list of sites is called an index. Okay. Once you are indexed, you have a right to show up on Google search. Till then, you don't even show up on Google search. So let's see an example. If I go to google.com, I want you all to do this with me right now. Go to google.com. Okay. And type in Times of India. Okay. Now, when I type in Times of India, it says it has some, how many? 335 million, is it? Yeah, some obscene number. 3,000 million results. And if I scroll down, it's showing me results from Times. Okay. It is showing me results from YouTube. It is showing me results from India Times, from LinkedIn. So it's not necessarily that all these results are only from Times of India. So what I do is, I copy the URL of Times of India. Times of India, one second. Let me just copy the URL. Okay, I copied the URL and I go to Google and say site : SITE : paste the URL. Site : and I paste the URL. Now I see only websites which are from Times of India, only pages which are from Times of India. No LinkedIn, no YouTube, nothing else is there. Only pages which are a part of Times of India are showing up. And now the number is much smaller than what we saw earlier. These are all the pages which from Times of India which have been indexed. I'm going to repeat one more time. Site : and the website name. So say pepperfry.com. Site : pepperfry.com. Right? And now there are some 5 lakh results. Correct? But if I only say pepperfry.com, I don't say site : pepperfry.com, I get 40 lakh results. Okay? Now 5 lakh results may, if I go back, these are all results only from Pepperfry. Nothing else is there. Now if I go to tools, anytime, and say past 24 hours. Tools, anytime, past 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, okay, let's make it lesser, past hour. Past hour, no new page of Pepperfry has got indexed. And in the past 24 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 into 4, 40 pages from Pepperfry. So in the last 24 hours, Pepperfry has put 40 new pages on its website, which Google has crawled, cached, and indexed. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that every time you add a new page to your website, it can only show up on Google if it is indexed. And to check if it is indexed, you have to say site : whatever website name, go to tools, say past 24 hours, past week, and check if the page you added to your website, has it got indexed on Google or not. Okay. Can you all try this now? Site : put any website of your choice, site : any website of your choice, and check how many pages have got indexed in the last 24 hours. Quickly. Once you've done that, tell me, Lucky, don't be in a rush. What is on page, what is off page? Don't be in a rush. We'll get there. If anyone has understood what I've said, if you all have understood what I've said, please respond on chat. Indexing, to check if a page has been indexed, you say site : website name, go to tools and you check. And if that page shows up, it means it is indexed. If the page does not show up, it means it's not indexed. Correct? What is index? It is there it is there with Google. Yeah, if you understood indexing, please say CCI, crawling, crashing, indexing. If you understood indexing, quickly respond with a CCI. If you understood crawling, caching, and indexing, please respond with CCI. And if you have not understood, please ask me to repeat. Okay, so crawling, caching, indexing. Indexing is nothing but you are in the pool of sites. Okay, indexing is nothing but you have crossed the first two steps, crawling and caching. Once you've crawled the first two, cleared the first two steps, you are in the list of sites or list of pages with Google. Caching is nothing but saving on the server and keeping a memory. Bhavna, it's nothing but saving on the server, keeping a memory. So crawling, caching, indexing. Now, how do I know if my page has been or my site has been indexed? For that, what I do is I type in site : and my website name. Okay. And I check, supposing I had added a new page 1 month ago. Supposing I had added a new page on my website 1 month ago. So I check in the past 1 month and I scroll through this. Is my page there or not? Whatever I've added on my website in the last 1 month. If I see it, then it's there with Google. If I don't see it, it is not there with Google. Simple. Okay. So now I have a question for you all. What do I do if I add a new page to my website, but it is not on Google? It is not indexed on Google. Can someone think and give me an answer? What should I be doing if I add a new page to my website, but it is not getting indexed only? What should I do as a marketer? Any ideas? What can I do? What should I do if I add a new page, but it is not being indexed? Any thoughts? You want to unmute yourself, you can, or you can respond on chat. Put the link in the page which is indexed. Genius. Coel, genius, very good. Content change, Sanskrit, good answer. Update your content so Google comes and crawl. Promote the page, very good answer. So the 3 answers on chat are all nice. Long story short, if a page is not being indexed, link it from a page which is already indexed. And that's why you will notice, if I were to go to any website, if I go to any website, there will always be a section called latest arrivals, new products. Yeah, so there will always be a section called new products, later popular brands, popular categories. You see the number of links. So what they do is every time there is a new arrival or there's something new that they want to share with Google, they will put that link on the homepage. Why? Because the homepage is already indexed. So from that page, all other pages can be discovered. Right? So if you're taking notes, please write down. If you have a new page on your website, and if it is not being indexed, the easiest way is to link it from another page on your website, which is already indexed. If you do that, then the chances of this new page also, can we use other page links? Yes, of course. So say there is a new furniture, there's a new cushion cover which has launched. Okay. Say this is a new product. I added it yesterday on my site, but this product is not getting indexed only. So what do? I take this link and I add it on my homepage as latest arrival. So when Google comes to crawl the homepage, it will find this new link. Correct? See, remember, for a page to be indexed, it has to be crawled and cached. And crawling was nothing but Google crawling and jumping into links. So now in your head, start joining the dots. Every time there's a new page, if I want it to be crawled, cached, and indexed, I need to link it from a page which is already being crawled, cached, and indexed. So I need to seed the link of my new product. I need to seed this link. I need to add this link on other pages which are popular and already being crawled, cached, and indexed. So that way, Google will discover a new page. Whoever asked me to repeat, if you have understood, please respond with a yes. If you have not understood, say no, and I will repeat. Whoever has asked me a question, respond with a yes if you understood. Whoever has not understood, say no, and I will repeat. Bhavna said no. So what if I don't have already indexed or crawl page? Genius. Okay, a lot of people have said no. So that means a lot of people have not understood. Raghavendra, very good question. I'm going to come to that next, but because there are people who have not understood, I will have to repeat. Okay, listen very carefully. I have a brand new page on my site. When I go to Google and I check, I put index site colon whatever my website name, I notice that in this list that new page is not there only. So I say, Array, I added a new page. This page has not come on the index. What should I do? The easiest thing I can do is that I should link that new page from one of these pages which are already indexed. Correct? So now which is the best page to link from? The home page. Home page is already indexed only for sure. So when Google comes to crawl the home page, it will discover the link of this new page and it will crawl and cache a new page also. Okay? Now have you all understood? Has this helped? Okay. Now Raghavendra has a question that what do I do if I added a link or I don't have any other pages? My site is brand new. I am an extremely new website. I don't have any other existing pages. Now what do I do? Does anyone want to try and guess? What do I do if I'm a brand new website? So, sir, I want to add a new product in the shopping section. I should link it to the shopping menu on homepage. Perfect. Perfect, Hardik. It's basic common sense navigation, right? Now tell me what do I do if I'm a brand new website? There are no page, zero pages indexed. Then I will start putting this link on third-party websites. I will give you one example of a third-party website. You all give me more examples. One example is Just Dial. Okay, I will go to Just Dial and say I'm a new business. This is my website link. So now when Google comes to crawl Just Dial, it will find my website. I gave you one example. You give me more. Where should I go and put my link of a new website? What is Netify? Kiran, I do not know what Netify is. Add on Insta and other promotion. A very good idea. Daksh, good idea. What is Netify? Let's see that first. Ship faster with a okay. Telegram, good idea. YouTube, good idea. Blog post, good idea. Quora, excellent. Well done. Quora is a good answer. IndiaMart, good answer. Genius. Your social media assets, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, put it on that phone pay. Very good. But whatever your own assets are, put it there. Then start thinking of other assets. IndiaMart, Just Dial, Quicker, OLX. Start thinking where all can you put your link on other third-party websites. Yes, Aditi, your logic is correct. So now have you all understood? Okay, let's move to the next concept. Your Facebook ads name, Facebook page. In your Facebook about section, there's a place to put your link. You can put it there. Okay, let's move on. Now you understood crawling, caching, indexing. Now let's move on to the next concept called ranking. Okay, let's move on to the next concept called ranking. Please write down CCI and then the next one is called ranking. Once you are in Google's index, now Google will allow the web page to rank. Okay. And in the last class, we discussed that the ranking depends on location, searcher's preference. Remember, we discussed all of that. So now Google will check its index of sites and say, Acha, Mehzad has searched for order pizza online, or Mehzad has searched for three-seater sofa, leather sofa. Okay. Mehzad searched for three-seater leather sofa. Pepperfry on its site called three-seater leather sofa, which has been crawled cache index. Now, Google will check, is this page good enough to show up or not? And it will give the page a rank. So indexing means the page is in the list of sites. Rank means now it will get a position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, whatever. And how is that rank decided? That rank is decided by my keyword. It is decided by my past history. It is decided by my location. And all the other factors that we discussed in the last class. If everything is making sense in your head, give me a yes. And add more S's if you understood it properly. If everything is making sense in your head now, give me a yes. Yeah. Okay. So crawling, caching, indexing, and after that, ranking. And how does ranking happen? Okay. So a page is crawled, it is cached. If it is crawled and cached, it will also enter the pool of pages on Google, which is called index. And once it is indexed, now Google will decide whether this page is good enough to show up or should it be shown down, right? There are lots of results. Now, whether that result will show up or show down, how will Google decide? It will decide based on the factors we discussed in class 1. The user's query. So we'll discuss everything about ranking in over the next 1 or 2 sessions. But conceptually, here is what you need to understand. That the user's past history, the user's location, the user's preference, all of that will matter whether a page ranks or not. Correct? Okay. So with this, we complete crawling, caching, indexing, ranking. Okay. In indexing, we saw that you need to put site colon. If you have a new page, you have to say site colon, put your website name, and you can go to tools. And within tools, you can say time and check if the page has got indexed or not. If the page has got index, superb. Then obviously it will rank somewhere or the other. It can rank on 1, 2, 10, 100, wherever it ranks, but at least it is indexed. If it is not indexed only, how will it rank? Okay. And once, if it is not indexed, then you think of putting the link on other third-party sites or on your own homepage or other pages. Right? So it's as simple as that. Let's move on. Now, this is where I was planning to reach in session 1, but session 1, we did a whole lot of other introduction things, so we couldn't. Now, let's come to the next part. Sure. We understood that Google crawls, caches, indexes, ranks. We understood all of that. So, do you remember the 3 characters? We met Priyanka Chopra. Now, let's meet John. Guys, just hold 1 second. Just one. Yes. So now let's come to the searcher. Okay. Now, how do we understand what a searcher's intent wants and how is the searcher searching? Right. So please write down the first thing in the searcher's preference is the location. Where is the searcher searching from? Yeah. A lot of people remember put near me in their keyword. A lot of people while searching will say XYZ service, petrol pump near me, chocolates near me, housekeeping service near me, right? So near me becomes a very important way in which Google gets a hint that this user wants something near him or her. Suppose the user does not put near me, still Google will try and show websites which are local, websites which are in and around the user's location. How is the user's location known? Because the user has given the location. If you're searching in incognito or not given a location, then to matlab not possible. But otherwise, as long as the location is there, Google will always try to show uh, in and around the location of the user. Let's move on. Next is device. Whether you search from a mobile phone or whether you search from a laptop, okay, it matters. Can someone think and tell me how will Google change the results? How will Google change the ranks depending on user searching on mobile or searching on laptop? Can someone think and tell me what will a Google try to show you more if you're searching from mobile, and what will Google try to show you more if you're searching from desktop? Anyone wants to guess? How will Google's logic algorithm change depending on searchers searching from laptop or mobile? Anyone wants to guess? Trends, okay. It takes the data from other app. Web optimization, okay. Okay, so please write down some points. Firstly, your site should be mobile friendly. Okay, it should fit in the mobile screen. It should look good on the mobile. Yeah. So first point you should write down is the website should be mobile friendly. If the website is not mobile friendly only, Google will not show it on mobile. It will only show it on desktop. Okay, now what do I mean by mobile friendly? Responsive website. Very good. Hardik, good answer. Whether the website nicely fits in the mobile screen or not. Yeah. It cannot go out of the mobile screen. It has to fit in the mobile screen, right? Yeah, it has to fit within the mobile screen. It cannot go out. So that means responsive website. Second point is it should load fast. Yeah? Speed of website. Excellent, Raju. Well done. Speed of the website matters. If your website loads fast, then Google thinks it's a good website to show on mobile. And if your website loads slow, it will deprioritize you on mobile, right? So anyone else, any other criteria? What do you think of images, videos? Do you think websites with a lot of images and videos are preferred on mobile, or do you think websites with more text are preferred on mobile? What do you think? Yeah, lighter, whatever is lighter. Okay, whatever is lighter, small size images, very good. Light images, known websites, very good. Koil, good answer. Websites which are anyways popular will be preferred on mobile. So Google is also checking if the person is searching from laptop, mobile, and what is the type of internet connection. Please write down your internet speed, the user's internet speed. If the user's internet speed is poor, then obviously Google will want to show more text-based results. Correct? So Google is customizing. The ranks are being customized based on the user's location and user's device. If so far so good, give me a sign, give me a thumbs up, give me some sign. Give me a yes, thumbs up, some sign quickly. Okay. Abhinav, why the skull? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? If you haven't understood, ask me a question. Okay, let's move on. Okay. So suppose website for laptop and mobile are lightweight also. And so if it's lightweight, see if it's lightweight, it will be preferred everywhere. But if it's heavy, it will be preferred on laptop and not mobile. Okay. Abhinav says understood. Thank you. Let's go on. Chalo. Now comes your past search history. What have you searched for in the past? Correct. So if whatever you search for in the past, depending on how, supposing I search for uh, I search for digital marketing courses. Okay. And tomorrow I search for SEO courses. Now Google knows that this guy yesterday searched for digital marketing course, today is searching for SEO course. Matlab, he doesn't know too much about digital marketing. So it will try show me those websites which are for beginners. Okay. I repeat, supposing yesterday I searched for a very basic keyword. I searched for uh, furniture stores. Okay. And today I search for a more evolved keyword. I search for three-seater sofa. So now Google knows that yesterday he was looking for a store. Today he is looking for a three-seater sofa. So Google is also trying to make sense of my searching pattern. Correct? And if it has a searching pattern of millions of users, it can use AI and predict what the user will search for in the future. Correct, correct, Mama. That he doesn't know digital marketing and he's looking for an SEO course. That means he wants a very basic SEO course because he doesn't even know digital marketing, right? Suppose I'm searching through Wi-Fi, it will show me heavy websites, but it will with mobile data it will not. Yes, Hardik, correct. Yes, so it will try show you websites which will load faster on your system. So it is customizing results for you. Okay. Okay. So your past history, your past searching pattern will decide what kind of intent you have, how serious you are in your search. And depending on that, it will show you results. Okay. So please write down your past searching pattern will explain to Google what your searching pattern is, and then it will use AI and predict. It will predict what you will search for in the future. And then comes your website preference. So as I explained to you last time, supposing I search for three-seater sofa and I ignored the ads, uh, I ignored durian, okay, I ignored pepper fry, and I clicked on Fernie, okay. Now Google is watching all this. Then Mezard ignored these first few results and clicked on Fernie. If I click on this, next time in the future, if I ever search for anything related to furniture, Fernie will have a better chance of showing up for me. So please write down the result that the user clicks on. Okay. Supposing I click on Fernie. Okay. I clicked on this. I stayed on this page and then I clicked on some product, whatever, and I shut the browser. I shut the Chrome tab. Google will feel, chalo, Mezard found some site and he was happy with it. But if I click the back button, can someone tell me what will happen? If I click the back button, what is going to happen? Can someone guess and tell me? What signal am I giving Google? If I press the back button, what signal am I giving Google? Anybody? Not interested. Very good. Yeah. Not useful. Superb. Very good. Rejection. Excellent. Right? By hitting the back button, what will happen? In simple words, what is going to happen if I hit the back button? Observe what is happening. I click back, back search page, which is three-seater sofa. So in Google's what is happening? Meza search for three-seater leather sofa, went to Fernie, and again search for three-seater leather sofa. I repeat, Meza searched, he went to a website, hit back, and again searched for the same keyword. This is how the server will record. So the server feels, oh, this keyword, went to it, but again search for the same keyword. That means the site was not useful. Sorry, I just got locked off. Correct. Its reputation will increase or decrease. Absolutely. please remember that if the user leaves and goes back, in Google's logic, it means the user did the same search again. So now my next question to you all is, and everybody start thinking, what do I have to do on this site? What do I do on this website? For example, what do I do on Fernie? My keyword was 3 seaters. What do I do on .com? One second, let it load. What should I do on this page that will make Mezat stay and not hit back? Can you all guess? Give me ideas. Supposing you are the marketing person of Fernie. What should I do to keep a person like Mezat who has come from the keyword 3-seater leather sofa? What should I do to make him stay and not leave? Quickly. You tell me, should Mezat stay on this page or leave? Show something interesting or give a discount. Okay, Hardik. Specific categories. Okay. I search for 3-seater. Look at this page and tell me, is 3-seater mentioned anywhere? Is 3-seater mentioned anywhere? No. Correct. List of no. So there is 8-seater. I mean, 8-seater and 3-seater, there's a big difference. 4-seater. Correct. Here also it says leather sofa. It doesn't even say 3-seater sofa. I've not even come to a page which is about 3-seaters. Correct. Someone said show a page. Correct. Internal link of a 3-seater. Correct. Show a picture of a 3-seater. These are ways of making Mezat stop. Otherwise, Mezat is going to leave. Did you all get the plot? Chalo, let's do this for one more site. Say how to maintain leather sofa. Chalo. How to maintain leather sofa. And furniture fair is the first one. I click on it. How to maintain leather sofa was the keyword. Now you tell me, is this page good enough to make me scroll further? I'm going to scroll and you tell me yes or no. They have a video up front. They have a huge picture with this text. They have a video. And then they have some lots and lots of text with lots and lots of pictures. So now tell me, if you were managing this site, see, they are ranking number 1. Now, if you were a competitor and you feel, array, such a horrible experience, I can definitely do better than this, then you will start improving your website's experience. Can you all give me ideas on what this website can do to make me stay? Quickly. Why is this so horrible and what can they do to make me stay? Okay, hooks. Have something dynamic here, constantly updated. Keep the paragraph short and bold. Okay, keep this on top. Other links, discounts, 3-seaters. Okay, shift the video to the top. Okay, very good. Trends. Okay. Background should be light if you're writing something on it. Okay. On point heading. Okay. But still, this Joker is ranking on number 1. What does it mean? Hold, now stop typing. Still, this site is ranking on number 1. What does this mean? This means that this site has a poor experience, but is doing something else correct. It is doing something else which is very right. Or it means everybody else is horrible. This is the best amongst everybody. Everybody else is horrible and this is the best. Or they are bad in their experience, but they are good with something else. Can someone guess and tell me what is that something else? Why are they showing up so high? Their experience is so poor, but still they are showing up so high. That means they are doing something correct. What could that be? What could that be? Can someone guess and tell me? Authority of the website, good answer. It is a credible website. Okay. Following Google's algorithm. Okay. What else? I think it is a very light website. It is loading very fast. Okay. I think, I could be wrong, but I think it is scoring very high there. Or as someone said, it is a very popular website. And that's why it's ranking very. So what did you learn today? that there is no one reason why you rank. There are multiple reasons. You could be fast, you could be user friendly, yeah, you could be genuine, you could be popular. There could be multiple reasons why a website ranks. Yeah. Uh, let's come back. So whether the user found a page useful or not is what. Now we come to something called keyword. The keyword that the user put is also a very big signal to Google whether that what is the person looking for. So please write down. Please take some notes here. There are four types of keywords. There are four types of keywords: navigational, informational, transactional, commercial. I'll explain what they are. Okay. First, write down the four names: navigational, informational, transactional, commercial. And I'll explain what they are. Okay. Navigational means the name of the product or category. Okay. So, sofa, three-seater sofa. This becomes navigational. Anything to do with the product or category. Nike shoes, running shoes, anything to do with the product name or category becomes navigational. Okay. Navigational keywords are normally short. They are very short. So sofa, pizza, order pizza, no, order pizza, no, pizza, shirt, blue shirt. All of these are short keywords. Google doesn't know what Mezan, if I search for blue shirt, now what does he want to? Does he want to wash a blue shirt? Does he want to buy a blue shirt? Does he want to know which brand to go for? Not clear. So navigational keywords are short and they have the name of the product or the category. But the intent is not clear. It is not clear as to what the user wants. Example, pizza. Okay, I want a pizza, but which pizza? Which location? What toppings? Correct? So navigational keywords are very short and the user's intent is not clear. Because they are so short, the intent is not clear. Next comes informational. Informational is questions, lots of questions. Which is the, how is the, where is the, what is the, is any kind of question. Yeah. Informational keywords are normally question based. They are long and they have a question in them. Transactional is buy. So order pizza. Buy pizza. Buy to koi bolta nahi, but order pizza. Or pizza in Santa Cruz West, Mumbai. Right? So transactional is there is an intent to purchase. And commercial is there is an intent to compare. Which is the best pizza? Domino's versus Smoking Joe's. So you're comparing. There's an intent to compare and make a decision. I repeat, navigational is short, informational is a question, transactional is to purchase, commercial is to compare. If you think you understood these four, respond with NITC on chat. Quickly. If you understood what these four mean, respond with NITC on chat. Super. Okay. If you have not understood and you want me to repeat one of them, you can respond and tell me. I will repeat also. Okay, great. Great. So wonderful. Okay. Navigational is the shortest form of the keyword. Normally, it is the product name or the category name. For example, cold pressed juice. Now, what do I want to do? Do I want to buy cold pressed juice? Do I want orange cold pressed juice? Do I want a particular brand cold pressed juice? Not clear, right? So navigational keyword is the short name of the product or category. Informational is a question. Which cold pressed juice should I buy? Is cold pressed juice healthy? How do I store cold pressed juice? Which is the best brand of cold pressed juice? Yeah, so informational is a question. Transactional is when you are You want to buy. So buy cold pressed juice, order cold pressed juice, price of cold pressed juice, anything to do with payment or purchase, e-commerce, or vet or store. Yeah, you want to go and buy from a store. Commercial is when you want to compare. You want to compare the features. You so XYZ cold pressed juice versus ABC cold pressed juice. So you're comparing. Quick name a phone. Quickly, quickly. Name any phone, the latest phone that you want to buy. Okay. Uh, latest phone. Name any phone, whether it's a Samsung phone. Name any phone. Sorry. Name any phone. Okay, chalo. Now let's for sake of time, let's say Samsung Galaxy S24. Samsung S24. Can you all quickly think of a navigational keyword, an information keyword, a commercial keyword, and a one where you want to purchase, a transactional keyword? Quickly on chat, quickly respond with Samsung Galaxy S24. What is a navigation keyword? What is an information keyword? What is a commercial keyword? What is a transaction keyword? Quickly. No. I'm saying give me an example of all four. Samsung phone shop near me. What is that, Mohammed? That would be what? Samsung phone shop near me would be. What intent is there in it? I want you all to, okay, I repeat the question. I want you all to think of a keyword. Think how the user will search for. The user wants Samsung Galaxy S24. Transactional, correct. Huh? I want you all to give me an example. I want you all to give me an example of. So now Kiran has given me a Samsung S24, about Samsung Galaxy S24, by Samsung S and Samsung versus iPhone. Well done, Kiran. Samsung phone navigational, latest Samsung phone in India, informational, by Samsung will become transactional. You're getting the plot, right? Okay, well done. Chalo. I will repeat this in the next class, but for now, just write down these four. And is Samsung's phone good? But my keyword was Samsung Galaxy S24. This is your homework for today. Samsung Galaxy S24. You need to think of cool keywords. You need to think of cool keywords for Samsung Galaxy S24, not just Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S24. Yeah, this is your homework for today. Think of keywords: navigational, informational, transactional, commercial. S24 features, price, model, sellers. No, S24 price is not navigational. No, S24 itself is navigational. You don't need price with it. So do this as homework. We'll discuss in the next class. Quickly, if y'all think today was easy, y'all understood, give me a thumbs up, yes, on chat. We will wrap up now. The homework is Samsung Galaxy S24 is a new. Okay, Pooja has just shared a recording where you can find the recording and the feedback link. I want you all to go back and give me feedback. Yes, whoever has a doubt, please stay. Otherwise, y'all can share some love and tell me how good or bad the session was. Those who do not have questions can start leaving. Those who have questions, please stay, ask me your questions, and then leave. Pooja has just shared some links on chat. Some from where can I get these slides? These slides, the link for the recording is shared with you. Feedback form has been shared by Pooja, but I'll share it again. 1 second. Okay, Pooja has just shared it again. Yeah. So there's a feedback form. Please share your feedback. It will keep helping me customize my training better. The homework is Samsung S24 Galaxy is a phone. I want you all to think of a navigational keyword for that phone, an informational keyword for that phone, commercial keyword for that phone,